Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be talking about job vacancy and opportunity from Presidio. So Prograd and Presidio have come up with a collaboration that they will be hiring new fresh graduates and training them completely into software development. And yeah, then they will be placing them for an offer of up to 5.3 lakhs per annum. So this total, training and everything is a free of cost. And yes, during training you will be getting stipends too. So yes, let's discuss about the program completely, and yeah, let's move on to the website. As you can see here that a free train and hire program designed for freshers. So this is a freshers job vacancy. Prograd in collaboration with Presidio has started this program. Now this is for software development engineer in Presidio. You will be placed for, which is for free 5.3 lakhs per annum job. And yes, the last date is 23rd of June. It is mentioned here. So program overview, how you will be, what is the selection process and what is the journey of this program. So basically you will first fill in the application form, then the admission process, which is involves multiple selection rounds. Shortlisted candidates will receive the conditional offer letter from Presidio. So there is like selection rounds would be a written or interview, something like that, and then you will be given an offer letter. So then after that your training begins. Now, so 8 week of training online with expert monitor led training, which is an online training free of cost, starts tentatively in the second week of July. Okay, so shortlisted candidates will be paid monthly stipend of 16,000 during the 8 weeks of training, which is a decent stipend. I think they are being providing. Now join Presidio. After this training, become a full-time software development engineer at Presidio on successful completion of 8 week of training program. Apply for it and then crack the interview round and the online test, and later on you can be placed. Now let's check out for the eligibility criteria. So you can see here the fee course is the nil and the stipend is 16,000. Training weeks, everything we have discussed. Now eligibility criteria is 2020 and 2021 graduates with at least knowledge one at least one technical knowledge, which is like C++, Java and Python. You should be having knowledge of that, will be a plus point if you have more than one language knowledge. And final year students can also apply any degree, no standing arrears. So they should any degree is like any branch degree can you can apply for it, no standing arrears, and minimum percentage is 60% throughout 10th, 12th, and your diploma or your undergraduate or postgraduate if applicable. Fine. So 60% is the overall percentage it is required. Then stream specialization does not matter. The candidate. So the branch, any branch can apply as long as you have the coding knowledge. Fine. So this is quite a good opportunity wherein no special branches are being mentioned. Then available time is your full-time job. It is like 5 days working during the training program. Even graduates who are already placed and looking for better opportunities can also apply for this job. So yeah, so it is mentioned that training would start from second week of July. So most probably in before that, I mean it is almost 20th of June. So almost 10-20 days they'll take to do the entire online test and your interview rounds and everything. And most probably second week they will be starting your this program and the training part. So as you can see here, the full application form, there is a very basic details like personal and educational details you have to mention. Apart from this, you have to upload your resume, and yes, ensure that you mention all your details according to your mark sheets and documentation, so that you don't face any issues later on. And then lastly, you need to submit the application form. This is how you are going to apply for it, and later on they will be coordinating or contacting you over the email. So this was the entire process of how to apply in Presidio. But yes, just in case you have an issue or doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And yes, again I am telling you that apply as soon as possible because last day is 23rd of June. So guys, as you have seen that this opportunity of 5.3 lakhs per annum for freshers is quite a good opportunity you can grab as soon as possible. And yes, the last date is, as you know, that 23rd of June. So yeah, do apply as soon as possible and share with your friends also. And also guys, we have launched Telegram channel for the latest of job updates. Do check out the link in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for the latest updates and everything. And also we have created videos on Accenture preparation, forces preparation, interview questions. Do check out those videos. Links are in the description box. Till then, guys, bye. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care.